In this video, you are going to see how to change the fingerprint animation styles on your Motorola mobile phone. Depending on the specific Motorola model you are using, the availability of these animation styles may vary, so keep that in mind before we begin. So let's get started. First, long press anywhere on your home screen until you see these options appear on the bottom side. Here, tap on Personalize. After that, scroll down and you will find an option called Fingerprint Animation. Click on it. From here, you can choose any animation style you like for your fingerprint unlock. It even shows a preview at the bottom so you can easily see exactly how the animation will look. The phone I'm demonstrating on right now is the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Currently, this device comes with only 3 animation styles. Maybe in future updates, Motorola will add more options. And that's it, guys. This is how you can change the fingerprint unlock animation style on your Motorola smartphone. Don't forget to like and share this video so we can reach more Motorola users like you. And also subscribe for more tips, tricks, gadget guides and reviews on this channel.